What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Dodge remote key fob. This Dodge key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase this battery if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now what I'm going to do is grab a flathead screwdriver, and if we look at the bottom of the key fob, this is the slot that emergency key slid out of. Just below that we see this notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in the notch like that, and then I'm going to push it all the way in, and then I'm going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, it splits the two halves of the shell apart. Go ahead and pull them the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. Then in the back of the shell, we see our battery right here. And if you grab your screwdriver, there's a little bit of a cutout in the holder. You can get under the edge of the battery and get it out of there. Grab my new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. Snap the new battery into that holder, and then we'll snap the two halves of the shells back together. Make sure they're all the way snapped together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.